everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be learning opposite words. Okay, so are you ready? Yes, you all are ready. That's great. So let's start, and you have to do the actions with me, right? Whatever ma'am will do, you need to copy me, right? So let's start. Yes. No. Yes. No. Come. Go. Come. Go. Sit. Stand. Sit. Stand. Up. Down. Up. Down. Big. Small. Big. Small. Right. Left. Right. Left. Sweet. Sour. Sweet. Sour. Hot. Cold. Hot. Cold. Day. Night. Day. Night. Wet. Dry. Wet. Dry. Happy. Sad. Happy. Sad. Close. Open. Close. Open. Fast. Slow. Fast. Slow. Soft. Hard. Soft. Hard. Good. Bad. Good. Bad. Rich. Poor. Rich. Poor. Lost. Found. Lost. Found. Old. Young. Old. Young. New. Old. New. Old. Heavy. Light. Heavy. Light. On. Off. On. Off. Clean. Dirty. Clean. Dirty. Beautiful. Ugly. Fat. Thin. Fat. Thin. So these are the few opposite words. Do the actions again and again, right? So I'll be back with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you.